Right, so the last step, we got our funnel all customized and put our affiliate links in there so that once we share it, we can start making some passive income from affiliate commissions. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get our funnel all set up and online so you can get it out to the world. We're going to make it so people can find it, right? So something that's really important to note is that once you have your affiliate, once you have your funnel and you're kind of customizing it, what have you, it's automatically live, right? It's automatically live. Like this, if somebody were to go to this URL, it would take them right to your funnel, right? It's just a matter of, okay, how do we get people to go to this funnel? Now your URL is probably not going to look like this. Your URL might look something like, let me just do that. So your URL will look something like this. So mine's earnendlesscashflow.clickfunnels.com / whatever I called this, right? So yours is going to be whatever in place of earn endless cash flow, whatever you named your ClickFunnels account, .clickfunnels.com. So, and again, this is live, like it's automatically live. Like if I was to put this in the browser, it would go right to this funnel. It's just a matter of how do people know how to get to this funnel, right? And this is live, this is free. You don't have to do anything else. You could totally just use this link if you want to. The downside is, you, along with a bunch of other people, are using this clickfunnels.com link, and you're a subdomain. So the bad part about that is, let's say somebody else is a subdomain and they're using the clickfunnels.com name, and they run an ad on Facebook, and it's a bad ad, and it's against terms, and it just does all kinds of bad stuff, and it dings them. Well, it dings ClickFunnels. Like sometimes you'll see clickfunnels.com is given a negative feel when if you try to put that link within a Facebook ad. Okay, so that's why it's better for you to have your own cool link instead of something .clickfunnels.com, right? So there's two ways to do that. All right, let me change this back. So let me change this back. Earn endless cash flow. So that's what passive income is, right? Endless cash flow. So the way you want to do that is you go up to your settings account, you go to domains, and you click add new domain. So there's two things you can do. You can, if you don't have any domain yet, you can choose a domain and register a domain with ClickFunnels. And it's free. I think it's included. The first one's included. Okay, so you can just go through that, follow the process. As long as your domain name is available, boom, you'll be off and running. Okay. Or what I did is I used an existing domain. Okay. So you can use an existing domain, like I had earnendlesscashflow.com, right? So what you would do is you would add that in here, but it's already in there, so I'm just going to make up another one. ABCDEFGHIJKLMNOP.com. Right, so you would add the domain. Soon as you do that, it's going to tell you what you need to do next. Okay, and all you do is follow this directions. So whether you bought your domain through DreamHost, which is where I buy all my domains from, or Bluehost or GoDaddy or wherever, you follow the detailed instructions, and you just want to add a CNAME record that points www to target.clickfunnels.com. I know that might not make any sense, but once you do this, you click on the detailed instructions that walks you through. Once you add that CNAME record, you come back here and it says, I've done this step. And then what will happen is all your domains will show up right here. Okay. I need to get rid of this one. Hope I could just delete it because I just totally made that up. Remove. There we go. Remove. Yes, delete this domain. Or another way that you can do, so that way you're gonna have to you're paying for your domain, of course. But another way you can do is if you already have an existing WordPress site with a domain. So this is my ATMbusinessblueprint.com WordPress site. You can log in here log into your WordPress account, and then you want to go to what are they called? What are these called? Oh my gosh, plugins. So if, I already have ClickFunnels, but you want to go to plugins, add new. Then you're going to type in ClickFunnels. Oops. One word. And right here, you're going to click Install Now. Okay, this one looks like this. Install Now by Edison LLC. Install Now. Once you install it, you're going to click Activate, and then it'll show up that it's active. So once you activate it, you come up here. This is the ClickFunnels actual plugin. So if you highlight it, you do Add New. And there's an API setting that you have to connect. It'll walk you through that. You get the API setting from ClickFunnels, your ClickFunnels account, and you connect it with here so it knows to pull down the right stuff. It walks you through that once you set this up in the settings. So then you're going to pick whether you want it to be a regular page, a home page, a 404 page. I usually just do regular page, but a 404 page is, let's say somebody tries to go to atmbusinessblueprint.com, but they type in atmbusinessblueprint.com/peanuts. Well, I have no page that's atmbusinessblueprint.com/peanuts. So it would take them to whatever page we set this at, right? So I'm just going to click a regular page. Then you click here wherever you want this to go. You're going to pick the passive income affiliate training, right? Choose your first step. You want the opt-in, okay? And then this is the link that it's sending it to. Then you put your slug in here. That's what they call it on WordPress. So let's say passive income affiliate training. And then you'll just use this link down here. And that is, you copy that and you paste that, and that is your, you have to save it, of course, but then that is your page, okay? That is, you know, your domain that you're going to be using, and it's a normal domain that you can use, okay? And that is how you do it. You just pick one of these methods. I'm going to X out of there. I highly recommend you have your own domain. Like I have a bunch of domains in here, but I use this one, earnendlesscashflow.com. And then you will be off and running. Let's go back to the funnel. Right, so you see how it says earnendlesscashflow.com/free affiliate funnel opt-in. No more endlesscashflow.com. No dot clickfunnels.com, right? It's just my URL with whatever ending that I put on it, okay? So you're going to use one of those three methods, okay? Either ClickFunnels, buy your domain through them. If you have an existing domain, you can add it to it, or you can, you know, use the ClickFunnels plugin with WordPress. But all of those will get you up and going. And again, right from the jump, it is live. You just kind of want to make it prettier. You want to make it look prettier and not use the clickfunnels.com domain name within your funnel. Okay? And I will see you on the next training video.